Did you know your brain might have a secret memory superpower? For years, scientists thought only neurons stored our thoughts and memories. But now, a surprise twist. Yes, your brain has about 86 billion neurons. They send electrical signals that help you think, feel, and remember. But surrounding those neurons are astrocytes, star-shaped cells that were once thought to just clean up or support neurons. Now scientists believe these astrocytes may actually help store memories, using calcium signals, not electricity like neurons. Astrocytes connect to many neurons at once, forming a tripartite synapse. That's a fancy way of saying, astrocytes are part of the conversation. Researchers at MIT built a new brain model. By using it, they showed that astrocytes might massively boost the brain's memory storage, way more than neurons alone could handle. And guess what? Each astrocyte can connect to hundreds of thousands of neuron connections. That's like having mini memory hubs all over your brain. This could change how we think about memory and help us build smarter AI systems by copying how astrocytes manage memory.